guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are gonna do the unboxing of this new device, our new travel gadget that we have bought recently. And so let's begin the video. I hope you will enjoy the unboxing of this GoPro 9 device. So let's go. So let's do the unboxing of this GoPro Hero 9. So we wanted to add an action cam to our collection, so we thought of buying this GoPro 9 because earlier we were shooting with iPhone 12 and our DJI Mavic Mini. So let's keep the things aside. So this is this is a special so this was a special package with GoPro Hero 9 and this tripod. So this was introduced by Amazon this time on this Prime Day sale. So this came in combination with this. So this costed us around 30,000, yeah. And add on to that, we also bought the silicone case for GoPro Hero 9, which I will show you later, and also one waterproof casing along with some screen guards. Okay, so we'll discuss this later. Let's keep this side. So let's open this box. Let's see what's inside this. Okay, so you get this beautiful case from GoPro, and let's see, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so we get a GoPro Hero 9 cable. So it's a C-type cable, charging cable, and get some mounts. So it's a mount, some tightening screw for the mount. Oh. So battery. So an add-on to this, I also bought this GoPro Hero 9 battery, another battery which is on the way. Okay, so this is what you get in this box: charging cable, mount, screw, and a battery, and yes, of course, this GoPro action cam. Nice. So I have not yet opened this camera, not yet operated this camera. This is the first time that I'm going to use an action cam. Okay, so before operating the camera, we have to insert the battery. So let's keep it over here. Pull this thing like this. This opens up. It's this flap. Now the correct way to insert the battery is so this thing, like, so this GoPro symbol over here and this GoPro, so they have to be parallel in this way, or you can say they have to be perpendicular in this way. Okay, you see the slot, and done. And also you see, so there is I don't know you're able to see or not. so this is the micro SD slot, and this is the C-type cable area, charging port. So before operating, I think we need to insert a micro SD card. So I already have one. So this is the one which I use for my Mavic Mini. So it's a 64 GB class 10. So again, so if you want to insert this card, so this has to be parallel to this flap, and this will go like this, and you will hear a sound. So now we are done with the battery installation. So let's start this device. Okay, so it will ask you the language, so whichever you want to select. So we'll go for the English. And then, so by using this GoPro, I agree to the terms of use available at GoPro.com. Okay, I agree. So turn on. Install the GoPro app on your phone to finish the setup. Okay. Okay, so before moving forward now, so I was not known to this, so I have to install this GoPro app also. So let's install the GoPro app on my phone. So in the meanwhile, when the app is starting, so let's see the other accessories that also we have bought. So this is the waterproof casing for this GoPro Hero 9. Although this camera, so it is already a waterproof device, okay, but even though if you want for more depth, so you can buy this waterproof casing. So yeah, so this also we have bought from Amazon. If you want, it's a good quality material, and also I think this looks we also got some good reviews of this on Amazon. So we'll also give the link for this in the description, so that you can buy this. So I also bought this silicone casing for GoPro Hero 9. So it comes with this band also, so that if you want to carry this case, and it's a good material, good silicone casing, and the reviews were also good for this, so I thought that I should also purchase this casing. Yeah. It's good, and I will also give the link in the description, so that if you want, you can buy this. So the app has been installed. So to set up this device with this application, so let's start this. So it asks, works great with just your phone. Do you also want a GoPro? Yes, I have a GoPro. Let's pair your GoPro. Okay, pair my GoPro. So they found it. Let's connect. Okay, it is now connected. So this is how the device looks. This is the front screen. So this also, so if you want to see this front screen, so there's also one camera, that is Osmo, DJI Osmo. So we did a lot of research. We thought of purchasing that cam, and we were getting that on a good price, on a good offer, but then we thought of like this is an upgrade to all the action cameras, and GoPro has a different setup, market setup, and a good product portfolio. So we thought of purchasing this cam instead of that, and also we were getting on a better offer. So all the accessories along with this camera, we got this around 36,000. So that was a good offer, so that's why we purchased this. So let's keep this camera aside because the battery is 38% and it needs to be charged. So let's shut down, and we have one more device, so let's open that. Oh, lifetime warranty. Okay, so there is a lock. So now it is locked to this angle. So if you want to close this, just press this lock button. Close. So you also got this. How it looks like. So we'll shoot some videos and then we'll show you the quality. Let's go. So I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. If you did, give a thumbs up and also share with your friends, those who are looking to buy this action cam. So till then, bye bye and take care.